Look how tall we are. Look how tall we are. Let's back out a bit. Well, there's my shadow. Hi, everybody. It's Renee from Stretching the Spirit. This is actually pretty cool. I got my shoes off. But look at this range of shadow when you're up with Kafri. Look at that. Yes, I've got a ball, I've got a large metal hoop, and I have a smaller hoop. That's a little more portable, but in the morning, I like to bring props, just really extend. Like if I actually had a stand to put the phone on, you'd get a better idea, but so much can be done with a hoop. You can put your foot in it and stretch. Yeah, it's good to have maybe a tree. Over here we have a great eucalyptus. If you have a eucalyptus near your land, your soil, back up a bit, they're extra good for stretching on because they're very pliable. Some limbs aren't as pliable and strong. But yeah, so much to do as you go out and you're out with the rise of the sun. I've got Mount Hood over there. You can probably barely see it, but it's in that direction. Maybe you can see the hood. Ooh, look at that. Look at that fresh. Oh man, it's just coming in so pure. So pure. It's a little bright, but this is the best time to at least get your face right towards that sun. You can make some poses with your hand and kind of adjust the strength of the power, the connection. Because as you know, it gets real bright. Talk about bringing some light. Behind that we have Sirius, a dog star that it is told that fuels our sun, Ra, the shadow of Ra. I like to make things up like that. So yeah, if you can take some toys, find a tree. There's no one here. It's about 7 in the morning. There will be school children coming, depending on when I get here, is how much, just solitude I have. Over here, there's a skate park, so you'll be hearing people skating at times, which is fun, early in the day, in this type of morning. So yeah, it might feel odd to bring your toys, bring your coffee. I'm standing on some pretty ancient roots here. It's actually sit in the tree. So here's the 2 trees, right? So I just get right in between them. And this is a great port to be suspended in the tree while it supports you. And there's a squirrel up here, remember? I think that's how we started this thing. Yeah, so right now I'm just being supported by the tree and really pushing my back into this trunk. So strong. Really good places to always switch out to the other side. You want to open up every balancing act you got. Aquarius is such an amazing portal. Would you guys have thunk? This is where we'd be 5 years after 2020. Like, what did you think was going to happen? We didn't go along with the crowd, be ostracized and dead and murderers. Yeah. we got some good stuff going on. A lot of what's been veiled is coming into view, and it's hard to see. The reality that you choose to participate in is one that you complain about all the time. Just zoning off to the left, actually, staring into the park over here. It's just a nice view. Look at all these beautiful trees. So yes, this is a great place to ground, to think, to absorb. Yeah, that's it. Okay, you guys have a great morning. Namaste.